Who here wants six-pack abs? I do. I think everybody does. And for some reason, we look to fitness instructors, we look to fitness influencers on social media, and we sit there and we go, I want that. I want that body. I want those six-pack abs. And I've noticed a similar trend in business. We click on the video that says how to make $1 million in 2023 or how to become a millionaire by age 25. And it's so similar to wanting six-pack abs and wanting to be the super fit person. And it just hit me. Fitness instructors, people within the fitness world, they create apps, they create workout plans and diet plans, and they give you everything that you could possibly need in order to be successful. They give you videos on how to use this machine, that machine, how much weight you should start with, how much you should increase it by, and they give you everything. They lay it out and go, here it is. This is the cheat sheet. You just need to do it. And the same thing applies to business. You can completely map out how to start a business, how to do things, how to become the person who is in the video. We can hand that over to you, the person who has yet to start their own business. But you have to have the determination in order to finish, in order to get to the finish line and to actually start. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Megan Haynes. I started this channel to help educate and just share my journey of how I went from being a full-time bedside nurse to now e-commerce entrepreneur. And today I'm going to talk about Business Bootcamp. So I was thinking about Business Bootcamp because no one is really doing these how-to videos, or at least what I've seen from my own research is people will say, here's how I do X, Y, and Z, but they don't actually show you too much inside of their business. It's very broad. It's like, here's how to create a store in 5 steps. And that can be helpful for some people, but for a lot of people, they're stuck still having tons and tons of questions. And you're going to continue having that as you grow your business. Every business owner goes through that. But there's so much in the beginning and so much information for starting a business that I truly think I could hand you the cheat sheet for you to follow step by step, and with determination and hard work, be sitting in close to the exact same spot that I'm sitting in today. That you could completely 180 change your life, change the way that you live, and truly give you freedom and the happiness that you are looking for. So today I want to start my own business bootcamp. So if you're interested and you want to join and follow along and watch all the steps that I'm going to show you, exactly how to start your own LLC, open a bank account, how to do print on demand, how to make a logo, all of it. I plan on breaking it down and actually showing you and giving you that information so that you can change your life. You can start your own business. So if you're interested in this, I would love to start a community and start a channel where people can be talking to one another and interacting. If you've seen any of my boyfriend Chris Heckman's videos, he talks about how after college he moved into a house with a group of buddies that some he had met and some he hadn't, and they were all doing the same thing. They were all starting their own e-commerce businesses, and he talks about how helpful that was for him, because you would bounce ideas off of a roommate, or they'd collaborate and say, hey, this has worked for my business and that's worked for, their business. I can implement that now into mine. And I think there's something truly very valuable in that. And so I want to be able to start a community where other women or people who have been thinking about starting a business can come together, collaborate, ask questions, ask me questions. What's worked for you? What's working for them? I think it's really important. So in the description below, I have put a link for my Slack channel. If you don't know what Slack is, it's similar to Skype, but I want to build a community. I truly want to help people like you who are sitting at home watching this video, trying to debate if this is something you truly want to do. I truly think you can change your life. So join the Slack channel where we can build a community of people who who are starting out, and let's make this happen. Let's go through step by step together and build businesses together. So join that Slack channel below. Comment if you have any questions about Business Bootcamp, if there are things that you have questions about still before starting, questions for me, just comment below. I will make sure that I get back to them. Otherwise, please like and subscribe to my channel. That way I can continue making videos like this for viewers like you, and you can follow along and learn every single step along the way that I have taken to go from bedside nurse to now e-commerce entrepreneur. Thanks guys. I hope you enjoyed watching.